Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the network security key mismatch error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This error usually pops up when you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network with an incorrect password or when there's a conflict between saved network credentials and the router settings. Fortunately, it's easy to resolve with a few quick steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet and wait 1-2 minutes. If your router has a reset button, press and hold it for 15-20 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait for it to fully reboot. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network to check if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Forget problematic Wi-Fi network. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter. Select a network and internet from the left panel. Click on Wi-Fi, then select Manage Known Networks. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to forget. Click Forget. Try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password. Step 3. Reset network settings. Go back to Settings. Select Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset, now confirm by selecting Yes. Your PC will restart and you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. That's it. You've successfully fixed the network security key mismatch error on your Windows 10 11's PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.